It was a quiet Tuesday afternoon. Sarah, a graphic designer, was working from her home office, putting the final touches on a major project. Her laptop, a high-end machine she relied on for everything, suddenly went haywire. The cursor began moving on its own, darting across the screen with an eerie, unnatural precision. She disconnected her wireless mouse, but the cursor continued its ghostly dance. It opened her email, scrolled through private messages, then navigated to her online banking portal. Sarah watched, frozen in dread, as she realized someone was inside her computer. She yanked the power cord, desperate to stop the attack, but the damage was already done. The hacker was quick, efficient, and utterly silent, a digital phantom who slipped through her defenses. This wasn't a movie, it was a real-life remote hack. The intruder didn't need to steal her laptop or even be in the same city. They reached across the internet, turning her trusted device against her. This type of attack, known as a remote access Trojan, or RAT, is terrifyingly common. It's a stark reminder: physical distance means nothing to a determined hacker. The feeling of security in our own homes can be shattered in an instant by an invisible threat. Sarah's story isn't unique. Thousands fall victim to remote attacks every day. Hackers steal money, data, and peace of mind, often for financial gain, but sometimes just for the thrill. The digital walls we build are under constant assault. Understanding how these unseen puppeteers operate is the first step to taking back control. Before we go further, a critical disclaimer: this information is for education and awareness only. Our goal is to help you protect yourself, not to encourage illegal activity. Attempting unauthorized access to any system is a serious crime with severe consequences. We're here to make you a more secure digital citizen, not a hacker. Think of this as a home security briefing. Know how burglars operate so you can defend your home. Knowledge is your best defense in the battle for digital privacy. If you want to keep learning how to stay safe online, subscribe for more content. The fight against cybercrime is a collective effort. Your awareness makes a difference. Your security journey starts with knowledge, and we're here to guide you. How can someone take over your device without ever touching it? It's all about connectivity. Every internet-connected device has an IP address, its digital address. Hackers exploit this by sending malicious instructions to your device, tricking it into giving them control. Think of your device as a fortress with digital doors and windows, called ports. If a port is left unsecured or a vulnerability exists, it becomes an entry point. Hackers scan for these openings, then use specialized tools to send malicious code through. Sometimes they don't even break in. They trick you into opening the door yourself, often through a convincing email or link. Once inside, their malware opens a secret backdoor, giving them hidden access. Your device keeps working as normal, but the hacker is watching from the shadows. Remote hacking is possible because our devices are designed to communicate, and hackers exploit that. The result: a silent, invisible invasion that turns your own technology against you. One of the most common remote hacking methods isn't technical, it's psychological. Phishing attacks use fake emails, texts, or messages to trick you into revealing sensitive info or downloading malware. The attacker pretends to be your bank, a service, or even your IT department, creating urgency to get you to click. Links may lead to fake login pages, stealing your credentials, or to malicious attachments that install malware. This is social engineering, preying on human trust and emotion, bypassing technical defenses. Attachments disguised as invoices or reports can actually be malware keyloggers, ransomware, or rats. Protect yourself with skepticism. Scrutinize unsolicited emails, check sender addresses, and hover over links before clicking. Never open attachments from unknown senders. If in doubt, contact the company directly through official channels. Phishing works because it targets the human element. Don't let urgency override caution. Stay alert, and you'll avoid most traps. Hackers rely on a powerful arsenal of malicious software: malware. Malware is any software designed to cause harm, and it's the backbone of many remote attacks. Remote access Trojans, or RATs, disguise themselves as legitimate programs, but secretly create a backdoor for hackers. With a rat, attackers can access files, turn on webcams, log keystrokes, and more, all without your knowledge. Spyware and keyloggers silently gather your private data, sending it back to the hacker. Ransomware encrypts your files and demands payment for their return, sometimes threatening to leak your data. These tools are silent, invasive, and devastatingly effective. Malware is the digital weapon that turns your own device against you. Staying vigilant is your best defense. Public Wi-Fi is convenient, but it's a hacker's playground. Unsecured networks mean your data can be intercepted by anyone nearby. Hackers can set up fake hotspots, evil twins, that look legitimate, capturing all your traffic in a man-in-the-middle attack. They can redirect you to fake sites or inject malware as you browse. Bluetooth isn't immune either. Vulnerabilities can let attackers access your device and steal data without your knowledge. To stay safe, avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive activities or use a VPN to encrypt your traffic. Keep Bluetooth off when not in use and make your device non-discoverable. Simple habits, like using VPNs and disabling Bluetooth, can make a huge difference. Don't let convenience compromise your security. Hackers thrive on carelessness. Don't give them the opportunity. Protect your data, even in public spaces. Remote hacking isn't just theory. It's behind some of the biggest cyber disasters. The NotPetya attack in 2017 started in Ukraine, but quickly became a global catastrophe, crippling companies like Maersk and Merck. The Mirai botnet in 2016 turned insecure smart devices into a massive army, launching attacks that took down major websites. The SolarWinds hack in 2020 saw attackers compromise software updates, giving them access to thousands of organizations, including US government agencies. In each case, attackers exploited remote access. No physical break-in required. They used the internet's infrastructure and user trust to execute global attacks. These incidents show how a single vulnerability can have devastating consequences. The lesson: robust security is essential at every level, from individuals to corporations. Remote threats are real, and their impact can be massive. Learn from these breaches. Don't become the next headline. Protecting yourself from remote hackers doesn't require expert skills, just smart habits. Use strong, unique passwords for every account and never reuse them. A password manager can help you keep track. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, wherever possible. It blocks most account takeovers. Keep your software updated. Patches fix vulnerabilities before hackers can exploit them. Be cautious with emails and links. Verify urgent requests through trusted channels. Install reputable antivirus and anti-malware software and keep it updated. Avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive tasks or use a VPN. Disable Bluetooth when not in use. These simple steps dramatically reduce your risk. Security is about consistency. Make these habits part of your routine. Stay proactive and you'll stay protected. The digital world offers incredible convenience, but also real risks. The stories and methods we've covered aren't meant to scare you. They're meant to empower you. Your best weapon isn't expensive software, it's knowledge and vigilance. Security is a process, not a product. Treat your digital safety as seriously as your physical safety. Every click and connection matters. By adopting strong habits, unique passwords, 2FA, updates, skepticism, you make yourself a hard target. The goal isn't fear, but confidence in your defenses. Stay alert, question everything, and trust your instincts. In a world of invisible threats, your vigilance is your strongest shield.